it's Mrs. Fields, and we're here to add with regrouping again. So today our number is 399 plus 193. So the first thing that I do is I set up my number. I've got a 300. That's worth 90. That's worth 9. And down here I've got 100. That's worth 90. And that's worth 3. So our problem is set up. We're ready to add our ones place. Our ones place is always right here. So I put the big number in my head, 9, and then add 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. I got a 12. I bet you already see the problem. I have too much on the floor. I bet I'm going to have to send some next door. Let's go ahead and model it on our place value chart. I've got 9 ones and then 3 ones. I'm going to grab a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. Fill in there. Okay. And my bottom is 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. When I add those up, I get 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, too much on the floor. I can only have 1 digit here, and I have 2. So I've got to send something next door. I'm going to send it next door to my tens place. I've got to be able to make a 10 strip to send it to the tens place. So I need 10 cubes to make this 10 strip. Let's see if I've got 10. Here's 9. And then 1 more makes 10. So I've got it. So I'm going to throw these out and put my 10 strip there that I've sent next door. Okay? Now, instead of having 12 here in this column, I've only got the 2 left. So I'm going to erase that, and there's my 2. Okay? The 1 didn't just disappear, though. The 1 got sent next door. It got sent right here. So I'm going to put a 1 up top to represent the friends that I sent next door. Okay? Same thing over here. I've got 2 now, but this 1 didn't just disappear. It got sent next door. So I just put it up here at the top. All right, now let's do our, I hope that glare's not too bad. Let's do our tens place. Our tens place is 9 plus 9 plus the 1 that we sent next door. Well, luckily we've already got the 1 next door here. So I've got that one done. I've got to put 9 more though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. And then right here I need 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, I'm going to have to reach into my bag because I'm running out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Hope you guys aren't getting seasick with my wobbly iPad. 8, and 9. All right, that's a bunch. So when I add that up, I add my 9, my 1, and my 9. That gets me 19. That's a problem, right, guys? Yep. Too much on the floor, so I've got to send it next door. If I look over here, let's see. 9 plus 9, that's 18. Yep, see, that's way too much on the floor. I've got to be able to send some next door. Next door is my hundreds place. So I've got to be able to make a hundreds cube. Here's my hundreds cube. I've got to be able to make one of these if I'm going to send things next door. So to make a hundreds cube, I need 10 of these strips. Well, here's 9, so I'll throw 9 over. And then I'll take 1 more. Okay? There. I made a hundreds cube. So I'm going to throw these out and put a 100 cube there. Now, instead of having 19 here, I've got, should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9. So I'm going to change this to a 9. Now remember, the 1 didn't just disappear. I sent it next door. So I've got to put that 1 here next door to represent this 1 that I've sent next door. Okay? Same thing over here. This 1 didn't just disappear. Oh, I messed up, didn't I? I wrote 18 here. Sorry, this was 9 plus 9 plus 1. That's 19. So that should have been a 19. But again, that 1 didn't just disappear. If I can erase it, it went right here next door. Okay? So I've got my 1s are good, my 10s are good. Now I've got to work on my hundreds. My hundreds have the 1 that I sent next door that's already there. It's already there. But I still got to put 3 hundreds here. So 1, 2, 3. And then I've still got to put 100 down here. Let me grab this up here. Here we go. Here's 1. All right, let's add them up. I've got 3, 4, 5. So this should be 5. Got 592. Let's see if this one's 5. It should be 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. 592. You guys did a great job. You had to send something next door in the ones place and in the tens place in order to add that correctly. Awesome job, guys. Remember, too much on the floor, send it next door.